Welcome to my channel Astro Sai Guru. Today's topic is gratitude and happiness. Our well-being in testing time during this COVID is linked both to our physical and mental health. Greater happiness is now needed more than ever before, and that is precisely the reason why we should start our day by thanking our existence for this priceless gift, that which is called life. When we look at the trees, the mountains, the rivers, the whole of the nature outside of our homes, one thing is common, is that all these seems to be full of life and vitality. Yet, as though in deep silent prayer, we feel totally speechless with a deep sense of gratitude. Prayer exists in the inner realm at the very core of our center. Researchers all over the world are now discovering that the sense of gratefulness and gratitude not only has a profound impact on our overall health, it also helps in reducing our depression, anxiety, and treating all types of sleep disorders. Gratitude and well-being, they say, goes hand in hand. Gratitude is related to a great variety of clinically relevant phenomena, including psychopathology, depressions, adaptive personality characteristics, positive social relationships, our overall physical health, and particularly our stress and sleep. And a sense of gratitude is also very effective in reducing our body dissatisfactions and our excessive worrying. So hence, friends, we have to always find the reasons to be grateful, to be thankful, and that can be just in a very simple way by waking up in the morning and thanking the universe, thanking our God. Lord Krishna in the Bhagavad Gita has clearly said, "Hey Arjuna, your whole being needs to surrender for the gift of this peace, the happiness, and that eternal abode." The surrender that Lord Krishna is talking about is deep gratitude towards our existence, towards the life, and to all the other valuable things it has given us. We must thank the trees for the breeze that in the morning it becomes our prayer, and also our being turns into pure gratitude. When we see misery, pain, and suffering today in this entire world, we should try to help someone who needs help. By this action, you could bring joy to someone. Just like existence, we have many things in abundance, and a sense of thankfulness can change our life. Osho observes that gratitude arises only whenever we start feeling God's presence all around, and that moment transforms our whole energy into gratitude, and our whole being becomes thanksgiving. We should never think about existence give to us in terms of quantity, whether it is big or small. We should always be thankful, because what God has given will always be great. We should never show any disrespect in any form to what we have got. We need to acknowledge that everything exists here is an offering that has the potential to bring harmony and balance in our life. Gratefulness is a true communion with existence, and perhaps the only fragrance of the heart. We should be grateful for breathing, for being helped, and for all the abundance that we have got. Let this feeling of deep gratitude become our intrinsic basic nature, and slowly we will realize that all our complaints simply disappear, leaving us in an ocean of joy, celebration, and total bliss. Friends, all those who are in need of astro spiritual consultation can, for matters related to marriage, matters related to job, matters related to children, matters related to legal affairs, matters related to their business problems, they can WhatsApp to me on my WhatsApp number 8827585582 and 801 0001346, and Friends, I request you to subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends on all social media platforms, whether it is WhatsApp, whether it is Twitter, whether it is Instagram, whether it is Tumblr. And I wish you all the success and good wishes in your future ventures. Thank you, friends. Thank you.